All right, Erica in Parksville, Maryland. Erica,
Yes, hi.
how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. About a year and a half ago, my daughter and her husband were involved in a drive-by shooting. They had gone out to celebrate the draft of her brother-in-law into the NBA, and coming back from that celebration, they were caught up in a drive-by shooting. And long story short, he ended up paralyzed, and she ended up with a bullet lodged in her back.
Where did this happen?
And
Where did this
it
happen?
happened in Washington, D.C.
In Washington, D.C. So just randomly
Yeah.
driving, and all of a sudden bullets started flying at them. It had nothing to do with them.
Had nothing to do
Oh,
with
that's
them.
terrible. Okay.
So he ended up paralyzed, my son-in-law, and my daughter has a bullet lodged in her back. And his parents stepped into the marriage and took him out of the house,
Okay.
and typically abandoned her and their son.
Okay.
Their son is 7.
Okay. So where's
Now
this?
she's wondering.
Who's raising the son?
They are co-parenting at this time.
Okay.
She was wondering if she can still have her papers filed
Absolutely.
based on the situation.
Absolutely. She's entitled to something called a U visa, which is a victim of a crime, and she should be getting it. She should be filing this immediately.
Okay. And how long does that process take?
Well, a U visa, unfortunately, they only give about 10,000 visas a year, and there's about 60 or 70,000 people on a waiting list who are victims of crimes, who are here out of status, who are the victims of crimes perpetrated by presumably U.S. citizens. So it does take a while, but you can get a work authorization after 180 days if you can show humanitarian reasons why you need it. And with a bullet lodged in her body and a husband who's paralyzed and she has to take care of a child, that sounds pretty humanitarian to me.